So in this video we will perform the graphical analysis of real-time iPhone data. I've gathered the real-time data of iPhone, the prices of iPhone from 2010 to 2019, and we will carve out the relationships between the years and the prices. So first of all, let's plot a simple graph between years and prices. Let's give the graph a title. Real time iPhone data analysis. So let's give our X labels and our Y labels. Over Y labels, and then let's start exploring this data using Matplotlib. Let's check out our graph. So what is it? Is the error has no attribute dot X labels, lt dot X labels, lt dot Y labels. So the problem can be, I think I should be use commas. Is it? Let's see. Let's see. Was that a problem? So you can see here that a small problem has caused so much trouble. That's why you have to be very good at code, at writing the code. So it has no attribute by dot X labels. Let's see what the problem is. I fixed the problem, so it's not labels, it's X label. So let's view our data. So this is going to be our data for today's session. Let's use Scatterplot on this data. Let's plot a Scatterplot on this. We will use scatter years, prices to place a Scatterplot into this data. So our Scatterplot has been created between. You can see that there is a linear relationship between the price with respect to years. So they have linearly increased the price of iPhone over the years. Let's plot a bar chart on this. So for plotting a bar chart, use PLT bar, and then we will enter our columns. Let's see. And so this is our bar chart, and now let's see what is a horizontal bar chart. In this horizontal bar chart, the values will these pins, this single line is called a pin. These pins will be shown horizontally. You will see for plotting a horizontal bar chart we use dot bar h here, price. So it is year or price that you confirm. So it's years and prices. So a simple mistake would have caused us an error. So this is a horizontal bar chart. So now comes the concept of X ticks and Y ticks. what is an x tick and what is a y ticks? Like if you have the values here, the data provided in the x or y column is too much, like there is a string that is too long and the data is not fitting inside our graph. So what we do is we rotate the graph using x ticks and y ticks function. Say that our x-axis column is not fitting it and we want to start out our x-axis column. So what we do, let's go to export ELT.RH and I use x ticks and I will rotate the values of x column. X-axis is rotated 70 degrees and even though the values could have been moved because like it's a sort of string, the string might fit well when you rotate it. So let's do the y is similarly we rotate our y-axis. The next concept we are going to cover is histogram. What is histogram? It is a bar chart of numerical data. If you have numerical data, then simply you can create a bar chart of numerical data. So first of all, we will create a set of numerical data. So that is, let's write 5 numbers, 5 random numbers, and plt.hist data. This will create a histogram, but this won't look good. I'll show you why. Because you can see this graph is not looking like that much attractive because of the bin size. For that we can manipulate the bin size. We can so what is a basically bin size? Bin size is basically this single line is called a bin. So I can change the size of these bins. So let's say that the bins change actually. Bin size has been manipulated and it has been changed. Let's change some size because I think the size is too much. But you will see that the size will change. 40, 55, 70. You can see a single graph of histogram based on numerical data. So by changing the bin size, you can change the width and the thickness of the single bar lines. So that is it.